Now, you may be wondering, are there any other communities in the United States where water contamination has been a problem? Actually, yes. One includes a elementary school actually in Ithaca, New York City, that had very high contamination numbers. Actually, this is just one of the hundreds across the nation where children were exposed to water contaminating excessive amounts of lead, which doctors have all said is very unsafe at any level. This is according to a US Today network investigation. One analysis of the United States Environmental Protection Agency showed that about 350 schools and daycare centers failed the lead test in a total of 470 times in 2012, between 2012 and 2015. Actually, one water sample at a Maine school was 41 times higher than the lead should be, and another at a Pennsylvania preschool was 14 times higher. State In one community in Ohio, the state environmental officials knew as early as in October that the residents were drinking water that was contaminated with lead. However, they did not warn the public, and this happens a lot more than you think it would. Now, you may be wondering, how can I avoid it being affected by lead contamination? Well, according for the Centers of Disease Control, how to avoid lead contamination, it says to flush out each sink individually before using the water for drinking and cooking. You can also use the water flush from the tap to water plants, wash dishes, and clothing, or to clean. However, avoid cooking with it and drinking hot tap water because hot water actually dissolves lead more readily than cold water does. Now, how is the government helping the community of Flint? Well, Obama announced that $80 million in new funding would help Michigan improve its water problems. However, this has not been completely approved by Congress yet. Also, U.S. senators in Michigan and one representative of the House announced a proposed legislation to provide up to $400 million in federal funding to go towards resolving the issues in Flint, plus $200 million to address health concerns for children and adults who have been exposed to lead. Now, you may be wondering, how can I help the people in Flint, Michigan? Well, there are many different organizations that you can donate money to that are going to help these people get clean water, get safe water, and also be able to relocate. One is the Flint Water Fund, which is a program where they drive safe water and safe water filters to families in Flint. It has donated over 11,000 filter systems so far. Also, another would be the Save the Children Act, which is assisting families and children and child care providers by providing them with healthy foods and early childhood development support programs. There are many different programs that you can donate to that can help the people in Flint. You just have to find which one you feel is right for you.